I want to hear fucking Morrissey, but hey, let's
A magnet like this
Yeah.
makes a difference.
Yeah.
It really genuinely doesn't.
Okay, cool.
All I need to do is.
Just do it. Oh my god.
Here we go. That's just tap,
Okay.
okay?
Yep.
Tap.
Yep.
A tip.
Yep.
And then, oh, that's not a tip. That's not a tip.
Oh,
Oh my god, that's still not a tip. We're still just twisting it and it's still not a tip.
Yep, cool.
Oh wait, it's pushing further. It's still pushing further.
Yeah, that's not cool anymore, to be fair.
Babbage! Stop this right about now.
Fine. Do I go further?
No.
Yes, we do. Go for it.
Do I go further?
Yeah, just do it quickly. Really fast, really fast.
We'll definitely go further.
Bung it in the nose right now.
No, I can't shove it.
Place it down the nose right
No, I mean I can get it done there.
Right,
Fuck, I
you
can't
do it.
shove it.
Do it right now.
Yes, I found me.
Aye.
Yeah,
That's
so I would
fine.
really hurry up right now.
Anyway. Do you want to go further?
Yep, yep, yep.
No, I don't want to stop, thanks.
Nicky doesn't think you can. Do you want to go further? Right. Steph says yes. Nicky says no. Nicole?
I
She's
think.
filming, so she's
I
going
just shut up and stuff up here.
Nicole, do you want to go further?
Oh yeah, that's true. I have a beer.
Do you want to go further? Do you want to go further? Or not?
I think I've seen enough.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Well,
Let's have a beer and carry on.
you're severely putty, man. You're so fucking putty.
I said yeah.
Potty.
Cool,
Now I'm
then.
saying.
Right, where is the screwdriver, right? Watch that shit, right?
Fuck me all life, man. Oh my god.
I'm so glad I'm
Oh my god.
watching this through a freaking
God.
video camera.
Oh my god.
So glad I'm not going to hospital there. I can't be fucked.
Nicholas. Oh fuck.
So scared right now.
Wow! That's just like.
How far is that? Look at that.
That's
There,
a whole
handle.
fucking thing!
Look at that, look at that. Right, handle, yeah? Handle.
Whoa!
Is that blood?
No doubt.
Oh my god.
I
Oh
got
my
it in the
god.
fucking handle. Oosh, yeah.
There's blood.
I put the blood in my wall, man. That's pretty bad.
Cause it's British.
Ah.